You will spend 20 minutes scouring the internet just to find a tiny discount code for a pizza. But you probably barely looked at the math when you signed a massive multi-year vehicle loan or when you agreed to a long-term apartment lease. Why do we do this? Welcome to the Wealth Psychologist. Today, we are unpacking Parkinson's law of triviality. I call it the penny-pinching paradox. The human brain is an incredible machine, but it is easily overwhelmed by massive, complex numbers. To protect itself from deep anxiety, the brain simply shuts down. It avoids the mental heavy lifting. It just blindly accepts the big expenses. But the brain understands small numbers perfectly. A discount on a subscription, a cheaper brand of cereal, skipping a coffee. So, your brain hyper-fixates on these trivial, everyday savings. This gives you a powerful, but totally false sense of financial control. Meanwhile, your real wealth silently drains out the back door. Let's break down the 3 psychological traps that keep the middle class broke. Trap number 1, the dopamine distraction. When you save a tiny fraction of your weekly salary on a meal, your brain gets a quick dopamine hit. It feels exactly like a victory. But this win is a dangerous distraction. You feel incredibly productive, but your actual net worth hasn't moved an inch. You are winning the battle, but losing the war. Trap number 2, the fatigue factor. Big financial choices, like borrowing money for a vehicle or a long-term asset, require intense mental energy. There are interest rates, terms, hidden fees. By the time you sit down to sign the final papers, your brain is completely exhausted. You just want the uncomfortable process to be over. So, you drop your guard, and you agree to terrible financial terms just to escape the room. Trap number 3, the percentage illusion. Imagine saving 20% on your monthly utility bill. It feels incredibly smart. Now, imagine overpaying by just 2% on a 30-year property loan. Because the brain is bad at scale, it treats those percentages somewhat equally. But the real-world math is ruthlessly different. That tiny 2% mistake on a massive loan completely wipes out decades of utility savings. So, how do we stop the bleeding? How do we fix the penny-pinching paradox? The high-leverage focus rule. This rule flips your financial psychology upside down. Step 1, automate the small decisions. Stop wasting your precious willpower on trivial daily expenses. Give yourself a weekly allowance, spend it however you want, and stop tracking every single coin. Step 2, ruthlessly interrogate the giants. Spend 90% of your financial energy on the top 3 biggest expenses in your entire life. Usually, this is housing, transportation, and large debts. Never sign a long-term financial agreement on the same day you negotiate it. Always sleep on it. Force your brain to recover from the stress before you commit your future wealth. Step 3, zoom out. Ask yourself, is this decision worth 10 units of money or 10,000 units of money? Allocate your time accordingly. Mastering the massive numbers is where generational wealth is built. Let everyone else fight over the pizza coupons. Your brain naturally craves comfort and easy math, but true wealth requires uncomfortable clarity. If you want to continue rewiring your mind for financial success, hit the subscribe button. Welcome to your new mindset.